What if I told you, the habits draining your focus and willpower aren't the obvious ones? They're not big addictions, not massive time wasters. No. The real danger hides in the little things. The harmless-looking routines you repeat every single day. The ones that feel normal. The ones nobody ever warns you about. And those? Those are the habits quietly stealing your focus and draining your self-control, one tiny cut at a time. Sounds familiar? Here's the truth, most people don't lose their discipline in one big crash. They lose it slowly. Silently. Through invisible leaks in their daily life. And by the time they notice, their energy's gone. Their motivation is scattered. Their willpower? Paper thin. So today, let's uncover these traps. Let's shine a light on the harmless habits that are secretly pulling the strings. Because once you see them, you can stop them. And when you stop them, you take back control of your focus, your willpower, and your future. The first one, constant notifications. You don't realize how much they eat at you. That little ping. That tiny buzz. That glowing badge on your screen. Feels harmless, right? 2 seconds and you're done. But underneath the surface, something dangerous is happening. Every time you respond, you're training your brain to react instead of focus. You're splitting your attention 100 times a day. You're draining your willpower on meaningless interruptions. Think about it. How many times have you sat down to work, and the second your phone lights up, you grab it? 5 minutes later, you're deep in scrolling, and your focus is gone. One tiny notification, multiplied daily, is lethal. If you want focus, silence the noise. Guard your attention like it's gold. Because it is. The second one, decision overload. Ever notice how drained you feel after errands, emails, or even just deciding what to eat? That's not laziness. That's decision fatigue. Every choice, big or small, burns willpower. And when you waste it on trivial stuff, you have nothing left for what matters. Look at successful people. Many eat the same breakfast, wear the same style, keep routines simple. Not because they're boring, but because they're saving willpower for the real battles. So ask yourself, are you burning energy on 10 tiny choices before noon, or are you saving it for the one decision that could change your life? The third one, overconsumption of content. This one's sneaky. Watching videos, podcasts, endless articles, it feels like learning. But here's the trap, when all you do is consume, your brain is always full. Never focused. You mistake information for action. And that's dangerous. Think of it like snacking all day. You feel full, but you're not nourished. That's what constant content does to your mind. You end up tired, but with nothing to show for it. If you want clarity, stop overdosing on input. Create. Do. Live. That's where growth happens. The fourth one, poor sleep. Sounds too simple, right? But let's be honest. How many times have you stayed up for just one more episode or just one more hour of work? And the next day? You wake up foggy. Irritable. Weak. That's not just tiredness, that's your willpower running on fumes. Self-control is a muscle. And without sleep, it collapses. You can't focus. You can't resist temptations. You snap at people. And the worst part? You start believing you are the problem. When really, your body just needs rest. If you want real discipline, protect your sleep like a sacred ritual. Now, take a step back. Do you see the pattern? It's not the big, obvious habits that ruin you. It's the quiet ones. Notifications. Endless decisions. Overconsumption. Sleepless nights. Each one chips away at your focus. Each one drains your willpower. And together, they rob you of the strength to build the life you want. But here's the good news: awareness is power. Once you see the leak, you can seal it. Once you name the thief, you can stop it. So ask yourself right now, which of these habits is stealing from you? Which one have you been ignoring because it feels harmless? Call it out. Write it down. Decide to change it today. Because discipline isn't built in giant leaps. It's built in small choices. Protecting your focus. Guarding your willpower. Choosing rest. Choosing clarity. That's how you win. So don't just watch this and scroll away. Take a moment. Reflect. Which one of these habits will you break first? Drop it in the comments. Let others know. And if this message hit you, hit like and subscribe, because I'll keep giving you tools to sharpen your mind and strengthen your discipline. The truth is, your best self is waiting. But it's not waiting in some big dramatic moment. It's waiting in the small daily choices you make. Start today. Protect your focus. Guard your willpower. And step into the life you were meant to build. Start now.